Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Girl says hallelujah. Girl says hallelujah.
Pretty little bestie, I'm so in love with you.
What would you do if a stranger wanted to come in the house?
Say, no. You can't come in here. Stay out. I don't love you. Stay out.
Good girl.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Oh, I love you so much.
I love you so much. You're my best friend.
No, you're my boyfriend. When I text you, it means I miss you. When I don't text you, it means I'm waiting for you to miss me. The world could be so noisy and confusing. It's easy for a child to feel so small. But there's a perfect plan in place to help me. Created by the Father of us all.
Can you say mama?
Mom.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say cookie?
Kitten.
Can you say purple?
Papa.
Can you say blue?
No.
Can you say ball?
No.
Can you say car?
Ba.
Can you say puppy?
No.
Oh.
When I'm all alone, I think of you. When you're on your own, do you miss me too?